Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now. Next up, TasteSkill enhances your AI interfaces, providing stylish layouts and engaging designs for developers. TasteSkill upgrades your AI with stylish designs and better user interfaces. Disclaimer highlights the importance of understanding the limitations of TasteSkill. Feedback and contributions invites developers to share their thoughts and improve the project. Installing gives you a straightforward guide to set up TasteSkill quickly. Skills showcase the powerful features that transform your AI-generated content. Next up, Agent Skills streamlines coding workflows for developers, ensuring consistent quality and efficiency throughout software projects. Agent Skills provides production-grade engineering skills for AI coding agents. Commands outline 8 essential / commands for the development lifecycle. Quick Start guides you through installation and initial setup. All 24 skills detail the capabilities Agent Skills offers for developers. Agent personas define different roles agents can take on during the development process. Next up, openmed empowers developers to extract insights from clinical data entirely on device without compromising patient privacy. This section explains how openmed handles your data securely on your own hardware. Here you can see openmed in action, transforming clinical text into structured insights. Check out this quick 30-second example of openmed's powerful capabilities. Discover the unique benefits of using openmed for clinical AI applications. Learn how openmed utilizes Swift and MLX for seamless on-device performance on Apple devices. Next up, Goose simplifies your coding and automation tasks with an extensible AI agent right on your machine. Goose is your versatile AI agent for code, workflows, and more. Get started with easy installation instructions for all platforms. Quick links provide access to essential resources and documentation. Need help? Join our community for support and collaboration. A little goose humor brings a smile while you code away. Next up, ICM provides permanent memory for AI agents, enhancing their context and recall capabilities. ICM is your go-to solution for giving AI agents a real memory. It allows seamless memory sharing across all your AI tools without re-explaining. Installing ICM is quick and easy. Just follow the simple steps provided. Setup is straightforward, so your AI can start using memory right away. Choose between CLI or MCP to interact with ICM based on your preference. Next up, Gastown helps developers manage multiple AI coding agents seamlessly with persistent work tracking. Gastown is your go-to tool for orchestrating multiple AI agents efficiently. Overview highlights how Gastown coordinates various AI coding agents without losing context. Core Concepts explains the essential components that make Gastown work effectively. Installation walks you through setting up Gastown on your local environment quickly. Quick Start Guide gets you up and running with Gastown in no time. Next up, devboy-tools helps developers streamline AI coding workflows with a powerful, configurable tool bundle. devboy-tools offers a curated set of tools for AI coding agents. Why devboy highlights its research-driven optimizations and unique features. Quick Start shows you how to install and onboard in just 60 seconds. Skills and Onboarding explains how to set up your AI agent efficiently. 3 integration modes detail how to access tools via MCP, CLI, or agent skills. Next up, Core simplifies building AI-native IDE products, streamlining your development process. Core provides a powerful framework for creating innovative IDEs and tools. Getting started with Core is quick and straightforward, making setup a breeze. Development with Core is flexible, allowing you to customize your IDE experience. Documentation covers everything you need to know about using Core effectively. Release notes highlight important updates and any breaking changes in Core. Next up, agent-cli-to-api exposes agent-CLIs as an OpenAI-compatible API gateway for seamless integration. This section introduces agent-cli-to-api and its core functionality. Here's a quick look at what's included in the table of contents. Check the requirements to ensure you have everything needed to run agent-cli-to-api. Follow these simple steps to install agent-cli-to-api on your system. You can run agent-cli-to-api without needing to set up a .env file. That's the mix for today. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily repo trends.